lot of smoke in here.
Oh dear, what will become of me?
My mother is a police officer. She could arrest you.
Oh, I think I might know your mother.
What's your name?
Lucifer.
Apple.
Exactly.
My name's Beatrice, but everybody calls me Trixie.
You cruel, manipulative bastard! Is this all part of your plan? It's all just a game to you, isn't it?
I knew you'd come.
Of course I'd come. It's my duty to return the wings where they belong.
Is that all?
After everything that you've been through. Bleeding, searching, reaching to the high heavens for help. Now that you finally have your wings, doesn't part of you long to assume your form? Get back to where you belong.
Not exactly.
What are you doing? Well, ruining your plan, it seems. It was you, brother. You tipped Carmen off and you orchestrated the theft.